In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Steam QR code on PC. We'll walk through setting up Steam Guard on your phone, pulling up the QR code on your computer, and scanning it so you can sign in quickly and securely without typing a password. First, make sure you have the Steam mobile app installed on your smartphone. Open it and sign into your account. Inside the app, enable Steam Guard and add the mobile authenticator. This may prompt you for a phone verification code to secure the account. The authenticator is what makes QR login possible, so don't skip this part. Once it's on, you'll see the Steam Guard section in the app with your security options. Next, move to your PC. Open the Steam client, or go to store.steampowered.com in your web browser. On the sign-in page, type in your username. If your mobile authenticator is active, you won't need to type your password for this method. As soon as the sign-in screen recognizes that QR login is available, a QR code will appear. Make sure the code is fully visible on your monitor and avoid glare or low brightness that could make scanning harder. With the QR code in view, grab your phone. In the Steam app, tap the Steam Guard tab, the one with the shield icon at the bottom. Choose the QR scanner option. If prompted, allow camera access. Hold your phone steady and point the camera at the QR code on your PC screen. Keep the code centered and well lit. A small adjustment in distance can help the camera focus quickly. After the scan completes, you'll get a confirmation prompt on your phone asking if you want to approve this login. Check that the device and location look correct, then confirm. Within a moment, your PC will sign into Steam automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.